In this video on Azure Cloud Services, we will discuss the meaning of cloud services and how to create cloud services. At the end of this video, you will be able to state the definition of cloud services and explain how to create cloud services. The services that are provided over the internet are cloud services. These services support applications which are scalable, reliable, and cheap to operate. For example, Platform as a Service is a cloud computing model that delivers applications over the internet. The Cloud Application Service is hosted by virtual machines. Users can easily install softwares on cloud service virtual machines and use them. Cloud services applications are made by using any framework like .NET, Node.js, PHP, Java, Python, and Ruby. The cloud services offers two options. Web roles run an option of Windows Server with Internet Information Server. Worker roles run the same into Windows Server without IIS. Before deploying cloud services, first create Cloud Service Package from application code and configure Cloud Service configuration file. Azure Cloud Services can be installed by two different methods, Quick Create and Custom Create. Let's begin by learning about Quick Create. Quick Create method describes methodology to configure cloud services on Azure platform using some shortcut services. Steps for creating cloud services. Step 1. In classic Azure portal, first select New, Compute, Cloud Service, Quick Create option. Step 2. Next, enter subdomain name in URL to use public URLs for accessing cloud services. In region or affinity group option, select the specific geographic region to deploy cloud services on Windows Azure platform. Step 3. Click on Create Cloud Service button to complete the activity of setting up cloud services. Step 4. Monitor the status of cloud creation activity at the bottom of window. The cloud service area is displayed with new cloud service options. Also, observe changes created in cloud service. Azure consists of two deployment environments in cloud services: staging, production. First, let's understand staging of development environment. Step 1. Upload a certificate for a cloud service. Sign in to the Azure Classic portal. Step 2. Click on Cloud Services, add name of cloud service, and then click Certificates. Step 3. Click Upload a certificate. In the File menu, use Browse for selecting the certificate. Step 4. In password block, enter a private key for certificate and click OK button. Step 5. Once upload is completed, certificate is added in table. In message area, click OK button for closing the message. Now let's understand the production of the development environment. Step 1. Deploy a cloud service. Sign in to the Azure Classic portal. Step 2. Click Upload a new production deployment. Step 3. Enter the name for new deployment. Step 4. Use browser for selecting the service package file and service configure file. Step 5. Select Deploy even if one or more roles contain a single instance checkbox for enabling the deployment process. Step 6. Click OK button to begin a cloud service deployment. Step 7. Click OK for hiding the message. Now, let's learn about Custom Create. Custom Create method uses classic Azure portal to follow various links and services to configure cloud services on Windows Azure platform. It avoids using Windows registry. If you are using web.config or app.config files, mainly uses service configure file. Features of cloud services. Developing the different applications that have capability to manage several clients. The commercial software allows us to access, maintain, and manage cloud services. Cloud services avoids the need of downloading upgrades by coordinating updated feature of software and organizing the activities about management of software in web location. Let's have a quick recap on what we discussed. The services that are provided over internet are cloud services. For example, platform as a service, that PaaS. Cloud services offers two options. Web role runs Windows Server with web app and Internet Information Server, and worker role runs Windows Server without IIS. Thank you for watching this video.